Castor oil before bed and real body changes. Small nightly habits matter. I used to laugh when my aunt kept a tiny bottle of castor oil beside her bed. Every night, she rubbed a few drops on her dry hands and eyebrows like it was some secret family ritual. A month later, curiosity won. My skin felt rough from late nights, too much coffee, and air conditioning. So I tried it myself for 2 weeks. The first surprise was not magic. It was comfort. My skin felt less tight in the morning, and honestly, my cracked heels stopped looking like old toast. Why does castor oil get so much attention? Castor oil comes from the seeds of the castor plant. It contains ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid studied for its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. According to the NI and dermatology research, oils rich in fatty acids can help support the skin barrier and reduce water loss from the skin. That means your skin may hold moisture better overnight. Simple science behind castor oil. One study published in the International Journal of Trichology discussed how scalp hydration and massage may support healthier-looking hair over time. Castor oil itself is not proven to magically regrow hair, but its thick texture helps lock in moisture around hair strands and dry skin areas. That is why many people notice softer eyebrows, smoother lashes, or shinier hair after regular use. My first mistake was using too much. Castor oil is thick, very thick. The first night I used enough to fry a small sandwich. My pillow suffered greatly. After that, I learned that 2 or 3 drops are enough for most areas. Here are the most common ways people use castor oil before bed. For dry skin, apply a thin layer to elbows, heels, or hands. Many people wake up with softer skin because the oil slows moisture loss during sleep. For eyebrows and lashes, use a clean cotton swab with a tiny amount. Consistency matters more than quantity. Changes are usually subtle and gradual. For scalp massage, a small amount massaged into the scalp may improve comfort in dry areas. Massage itself may also support blood flow to the skin surface. For lips, castor oil can work as a heavy overnight moisture seal, especially during cold weather or after dehydration. Moderation matters for everyone. The Mayo Clinic and dermatology experts warn that natural oils can still irritate sensitive skin. Some people may experience redness, clogged pores, or itching. Always test a small area first, and never apply it near the eyes in large amounts. Check with your doctor first. Another important point is dosage and body differences. What feels soothing for one person may feel greasy or uncomfortable for another. People with acne-prone skin may need extra caution because heavy oils can trap debris on the skin surface. One practical trick helped me stay consistent. I kept the bottle beside my toothbrush. If I saw it before bed, I remembered to use it. Simple systems beat motivation every time. Here is a balanced nighttime routine. Wash your face gently. Apply a light moisturizer first if needed. Then use 1 or 2 drops of castor oil only on dry spots. For hair, focus on the ends instead of soaking the entire scalp. Watch your skin for changes. If your skin feels calmer, softer, or less flaky after several weeks, that may be a sign the routine works for you. If irritation appears, stop using it and speak with a healthcare professional. The biggest lesson I learned was surprisingly simple. Castor oil is not a miracle cure. It is just one small tool that may support healthier-looking skin and hair when used carefully and consistently, and sometimes the smallest bedtime habits create the most noticeable morning differences. Drop a comment with your routine. Take care of your body gently tonight.